Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about Pinterest keyword research and show you how to find good keywords that are getting plenty of searches on Pinterest. If you haven't watched any of my videos yet, I'm Sean from SEO Sorcerer. If you could do me a huge favor and give me the big thumbs up and subscribe, I would be eternally grateful. All right, we're going to get to the Pinterest website where we already are and do our keyword research here. We're going to start off by searching for something that we're thinking about targeting. In this instance, we're going to search for coffee bar. We're going to try to find some good keywords we can target for a coffee blog. This is hypothetical because I do not have a coffee blog. Here you can see when you start to type in, it gives you the suggestions, all the different ideas. Ideas is one of them, coffee bar ideas. These are all things that people are searching for on Pinterest. If it fills that for you automatically, that's what that's an indication of. So if you take it a step further, we're going to type in ideas, and it gives you another word. These are even more targeted. So if you look at these, this is a very targeted keyword on Pinterest. Long tail keyword, 4 words long. We're going to go with coffee bar ideas farmhouse. That's going to be the keyword we select. All right. Now we're going to take a look around here and see if this is something that we could rank for. Let's take a look at this pin. If you look at their title and their description, it doesn't even have the exact keyword in it. Coffee bar ideas farmhouse. It has different variations of hashtags, and the words are spread throughout it. But this is a good one. This is a good one to target. If we create a quality pin with coffee bar ideas farmhouse at the very beginning of the description, we should have no trouble getting to the top of the search results on Pinterest for that specific phrase. You don't want to match it exactly in the title, but it's okay to have a partial match along with other relevant keywords. All the ones that we looked at when we were right here. All of these. It's good to get all of these in the description. That way, you're going to get found by more keywords than just coffee bar ideas farmhouse. You'll get more of these also. And since this is such a specific search, there aren't a ton of people searching for this, but it's still a great way to get some traction on Pinterest and get your pins in the search results. If you're a new Pinterest user specifically, this is a good way to try to build some momentum and get some traction for your account on Pinterest. And all right, now that you have a game plan for keyword research, it's time to get out there and make some things happen. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a big thumbs up and a comment. And if you would like to see more videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for stopping by.